There is nothing better than getting a good deal at a price reasonable to you. This is exactly what we're discussing today. Hello everyone, I'm Pratima Adhikari and I bring to you the best budget phones under 15,000 right now in Nepal. If you have a really tight budget and are only willing to spend around 12,000, we have the Colors S11 as a notable choice for you guys. The phone boasts a 3GB of RAM and a dual front camera. Also, it is the first smartphone to be exclusively available online in Nepal. The 8-megapixel front camera is not just a dual setup, but also offers a wide-angle feature for selfies. Colors has really worked out on a unique offering in the form of this device. What's very impressive is that this phone comes with a snappy fingerprint sensor. The phone runs on Android Nougat 7.0 and it has a nearly stock-like UI that helps boost the performance. The device has a 5.2-inch HD IPS LCD display, which is not the best out there but gets the job done. However, the 8-megapixel rear camera is just satisfactory in performance. Powering the Colors S11 is an entry-level MediaTek processor. The performance for the price offered, however, is justifiable enough. If you have two more thousands to spend and want a better processor and a better rear camera, we have the Xiaomi Redmi 5A as an alternative for the price of Rs 14,000. The 13-megapixel rear camera produces good images and the Snapdragon 425 quad-core chipset performs decently enough. Just like the former in the list, this one too has a 3000 mAh battery that lasts for almost a day. The display, however, is a tad smaller, measuring 5 inches, which may not fit the needs of multimedia users. This device runs on Android Nougat 7.1 with a refreshing MIUI 9.0 on top, so even at this low budget, the device is packed with some extra UI features. Unlike the Colors S11, this one comes out in various color variants, like gold, rose gold, and grey, so users can have a pick among those. If you have 1,000 extra and the Redmi 5A does not seem to suffice your needs, you can go for the Huawei Y7 that comes for a discounted price of Rs 15,000. Going by the looks of it, it has a very stylish 5.5-inch HD IPS LCD display, which is certainly bigger than what other phones offer in this price range. The Snapdragon octa-core 435 processor along with 2GB RAM and 16GB expandable storage powers the device pretty well. The EMUI 5.1 on top of Android Nougat 7.0 is certainly loaded with some interesting features. Furthermore, the device also boasts a 12MP rear camera and an 8MP selfie camera, both of which produce decent images. Unlike none of the phones in the list, what's the wow factor in the Huawei Y7 is definitely the battery, as the 4000 mAh battery gives you 2 days of running time for light usage and a day for intensive use. The performance of the Y7 is also impressive in terms of app switching and app opening, but it does slightly heat up while heavy gaming. Only if it had a fingerprint sensor, this one would make the best choice in the category. Well, in a similar 15,000 price range, we have another performer, the Moto E4 with a fingerprint sensor, fast charging support, and Corning Gorilla Glass protection, which are the features that lack in most of the others in the list. The device, however, is powered by a iffy quad-core MediaTek processor and has a 5-inch screen which, well, may not appeal much for entertainment purposes. The 8-megapixel rear and 5-megapixel front cameras both produce decent enough pictures. The Android 7.1 version is a slight upgrade like the Xiaomi Redmi 5A. What's impressive is even at this price, you get a wide range of features with decent enough performance and cameras. The battery capacity is 2800 mAh, so intensive usage may result to the phone's battery not accompanying you all day long. If battery and a good processor is what you're looking for, the Huawei Y7 is your device. But if you want a variety of features at a budget, the Moto E4 is certainly the pick for you. So these are the top 4 phones under the price of Rs 15,000. If you had a budget of Rs 15,000, which one would you choose? Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you soon.